Despite the title of the video, a commercial license cannot be moved from one object to another, but a new project can be copied from another object and moved to a licensed object instead of the old project. So how to do it? Open a new object, go to My Profile, click Copy Object, and select in the list the licensed object which project you want to replace with another one. Have a look here. I can't replace the project right now, as a licensed project must be prepared for it beforehand for successful copying. What must be done? A server must be deactivated in the licensed object. Projects must be deleted from all panels where it was downloaded, and it is necessary to log out of all installer and user accounts in iRidium app where this project is available. You can see what panels have the project in the Users and Panels tab. I can see here that the project is shared with only one user, me, and only one panel is active. So only I will have to log out. Let's pass on to the project. Enter the config. Go to the Server tab. First of all, I delete the server. It requires entering the password from the account. After the server is deleted, save the project to cloud for the cloud to know that the server is deleted. Next, exit the project. Delete the project from the panel, and the last thing to do is to log out of the account. It must be done on all panels where the project was downloaded. Then go back to My Account, refresh the page. Enter again the object which project must be copied. Click Copy Object. Select a licensed object. And you can see a message that the project can be replaced. I'd like to draw your attention to the fact that the text before replacing is different now. It says, for the work of the replaced project, it's necessary to pay the difference in license price. What does it mean? It means that a license in the licensed project was bought for 20 sub-devices with iRidium server support, but the new project contains 21 sub-devices. Thus, you'll have to update a license after you replace a project. So let's come back to copying. Click Replace button. The page got updated after replacing. If I enter the project, I see that it's not an old project for 15 sub-devices, but a new one. How to update a license in this case? Log in on a panel. Download the project from the cloud. And press Save to Cloud. A message appears, please upgrade the license. Press OK. Go back to My Account and pay the difference in price by clicking on the red message saying that a license must be upgraded.